I'm scared and anxious and worried. I am voting for Hillary Clinton, anything but Trump. And that's basically it, because if he wins, I'm not sure what's going to happen to the country.
Yeah, there's been a lot of attacks. It's the first time I've ever felt ashamed of my country. I think just kind of seeing a candidate like Trump who epitomizes a lot of bigotry and hatred and xenophobia and sexism, and to see him actually come as a legitimate candidate is frightening. It scares me about what it actually says about the people in the country and how they might really feel about our nation.
This country doesn't need a politician to run the country. The way the economy is, we need a businessman, and Donald Trump is the right person. Hillary will sink this country and put it to war.